12:30, 11:30. Oh, we know on Thursdays and Fridays we close from school by 1:30. That means it is 1:30. 1:30. So right now on my clock we have that the time is 6:30. So now let's quickly look at how to tell time to a quarter hour. Please check my phone. Telling time to a quarter hour. When we're telling time to a quarter hour, we consider two things. That is quarter to and a quarter past. So first of all, we'll look at quarter past. Telling time to a quarter past, the minute hand is always at 3. That means it moves from 12 to 3. So we can say the time now is 6:15. You can see now the hour hand just moved from 6 a little and it's moving towards 7. So if the minute hand keeps moving this way, when it gets to 12, you have that the time will be 7 o'clock. But for now, it just moved 1, 2, and 3. So the time is 6:15. Sorry, 6:15. 6:15. When the minute hand, that is the long hand, is at 3, the time is 15:15. The time, any number you have, wherever the hour hand is, it is 15:15 that time. If my hour hand was at 7 or at 8 or at 9, 10, just anywhere, we know that the time is 15:15 the time. So what we have to note now is 15:15. The minute hand must always be at 3. So now quarter to means that the time is getting to the next hour. Is getting to the next hour, and the minute hand is directly at 9. Remember in fraction we said 1/4, which is a quarter, means dividing a whole into 4 equal parts, and 1 part of it is a quarter. So we can see now, when we had our minute and hour hand directly at 12 and 6, we said it was half. Now we have a half here, and assuming I had another meter roll and I placed it across this way horizontally, we see that we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right now we can say this part, like this, from 9 to 12 is a quarter. And when the minute hand is at 9, we say the time is 1/4. When the minute hand is at 9, the time is 1/4. It is going to 12. The minute hand is moving towards 12, so it is moving to 12. That is why we have 1/4. When the minute hand was at 3, it moved past 12. That is why we said 15:15. That is, it is after 12. So here it is moving to 12, quarter to, and quarter past. So generally we can say, in telling time to a quarter hour, when the minute hand is at 3, it is a quarter past. And when the minute hand is at 9, it is a quarter to. So today we've been able to look at how to tell time to the hour, to half an hour, and to a quarter. And we said in telling time to an hour, the minute hand must be at 12 and the hour hand will be at any other number around the clock. It could be at 12. The hour hand can be at 12 to tell you the time is 12 o'clock. And when it is at other points, other numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, up till 11, we know it is that time o'clock. Now, telling time to half hour, the minute hand must always be at 6, and the hour hand will be midway between the hour, the actual hour, and the next number. So if we have our hour hand to be between 3 and 4, and the minute hand is at 6, we say the time is 30 minutes past 3. That is half past 3, or 3:30 in the digital clock. Now, when we're telling time to a quarter hour, the minute hand is either at 3 or 9. When it is at 3, it is quarter past. And when it is at 9, it is quarter to. So there are 4 numbers on the clock that determine what time of the day it is. Whether it is an hour, half an hour, or a quarter of an hour. An hour, the minute hand must always be at 12. Half an hour, the minute hand will be at 6. On a quarter hour, the minute hand is either at 3 or at 9. When it is at 3, it is quarter past. And when it is at 9, it is quarter to. So that is all for today. If you have any problem anywhere concerning the topic we had today, I am always right here, and I'm always ready to listen to you and come in wherever I need to. Thank you and have a blessed day. Please endeavor to do your exercises and submit it directly to my WhatsApp number. Don't submit it to the group to avoid somebody copying from you. I don't like copy work. If you copy, you know how it is always. So just try and do the exercises and remain good children. God bless you. Peace.